Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes USB device not recognized in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand USB settings, click and expand USB selective suspend setting, change to disabled. Second method is Open File Explorer, this PC, C drive, Windows folder. INF folder. Search with WPDMT. Right-click WPDMTP.inf, click Install. Third method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Right-click USB drive, click Change Drive Letter and Paths. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click Standard Enhanced PCI to USB Host Controller, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Right-click Standard Enhanced PCI to USB Host Controller, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controller, right-click Standard Enhanced PCI to USB Host Controller, click Uninstall Driver, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.